मेगा ऑक्शन म्हणजे नवीन टीम, नवीन सुरुवात, पण तोच मुंबई इंडियन्सचा उत्साह. We had retained a strong core team in Rohit, Bumrah, Hardik, Surya, Tilak. And at the auction, we had an opportunity to build a strong team around this core team. We are elated to have some of our old boys back with us, like Bolti, Karan Sharma, Namandeep, and Arjun Tendulkar, and happy to welcome so many new faces in the Mumbai Indians family, like Ryan Rickelton, Bill Jacks, Deepak Chahar, Allah Gazanfar, Robin Mintz, Michelle Sanchina, Lizard Williams, Reese Topley, Vignesh Puthur, Devin John Jacobs, Venkata Satyanarayana, Raj Angad Bawa, Sirjit Krishnan, Ashwini Kumar. At MI, we take a lot of pride and satisfaction in scouting and nurturing many young talent that have then gone and played for Team India. Over the years, we have had Bumrah, Hardik, Krunal, Tilak, Ramandeep, and we would want to continue this tradition of scouting, nurturing, and developing young talent for the future. We warmly welcome them all to the Mumbai Indians family. पलटण ही आपली टीम आहे, मुंबईची टीम आहे. तुमच्या सगळ्यांचाच सपोर्ट मुंबई इंडियन्सची सर्वात मोठी ताकद आहे. चला पलटण, आता एकत्र खेळू आणि जिंकू आपल्या वन फॅमिलीसाठी, मुंबई इंडियन्स फॅमिलीसाठी.